Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about S3 features. S3 is an object storage system. Object storage systems have virtually unlimited scalability. Each object on S3 is stored in a bucket, and there is a limitation for the maximum size of the object that can be stored in an S3 bucket. The limit is 5 terabyte. Each S3 bucket gets a fully qualified domain name, and you use the bucket's fully qualified domain name to access S3 objects. S3 replicates data or content of the S3 bucket in a minimum of 3 availability zones within a selected region. Since availability zones are physically separate, replicating data on the additional availability zones helps increase the degree of availability. If there is any device failure or facility issue at the data center on availability zone. For instance, since S3 data are replicated on 2 additional availability zones, data can be sustained even though data are lost concurrently in 2 facilities. Durability is one of the most important features of S3. S3 has 11 nines durability, which means, for example, if you store 100 billion objects in S3, you may lose only 1 object at most in a year. In S3, you can store data in an AWS region nearest your location. This will improve latency, which leads to better performance. S3 provides many securities-related features. For instance, using different encryption mechanisms, you can store data in an encrypted form. The last one we hear is compliance. S3 has the feature of cross-region replication, which can manage regulatory compliance as you can keep a copy of data in case of a region failure. AWS maintains various compliance programs such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, FISMA, and many others to help you meet regulatory requirements.